Hello my good people, welcome back to this channel. I want to say thank you if you have considered subscribing, and if you have not considered subscribing, please kindly do so. I'm seeing you. Make sure you press that button. Kindly press it. I'm seeing you. Press it. Thank you. God bless you. Now today guys, we are here. Let me show you. We are in this house here, ups and there. We are making sure that every work is considered and every inch of our work is good and is good. Let me walk you around. You see, we're making sure that we are doing the repairs here and there. As you can see, for example, this switch was not good. Now we are making sure that it is good. You see guys, see when they were doing plastering, the work was not, this switch was not here, so we introduced it here. We are doing several repairs to make sure the work is good. You see, for example, this switch was not straight. This one also was not straight, so we are making sure that it is good. Let me show you guys. You see this one. So our work is very good and very nice, as you can see. We are replacing them to ensure that, for example, this socket, it was not good. It was like this, huh? So we make sure that it is straight. Make sure, for example, you see this one. You see, now they are straight. Now they are straight. You see. Zungumza na watu bwana, waambie unafanya nini?
Nachapia hapa.
Unachapia nini?
Nachapia socket switch box.
Switch box. Ilikuwa na shida gani?
Ilikuwa imepinda iko ndani ya shimo. Sasa nairekebisha ikae
straight, eh?
Straight.
Now guys, we are making sure that this switch box to be straight. That is what he's saying. Unazambiaje watu
wao wana watch hiyo channel?
Na wa subscribe, si ndio? You make sure guys you subscribe. Upate ujuzi kama hii. Yeah? For example,
wanaume wanakula kwa style,
si ndio? Now guys, you see, and you have heard he's saying that you make sure you put your switches straight so that if the client sees them, he will consider your work to be nice, and of course you will get so many clients. Now you see this one here, for example. You see, we made sure that you know guys, let me say this work, we did not start this work. So you see, these switch boxes, let me show you. So these switch boxes, we came here, they were not properly set, so we removed them and put the new ones. You see, something like this, when it was set, it was not straight. So when we came and removed it, you see the damage. So we bought the new ones. Yeah, we bought the new ones, and you can see we are making sure that they are straight. You see, for example, this switch, this socket, these ones are the earth rods. We are still making sure the work is moving forward. Very good, very neat. For example, this one, you see, it is not good. We removed it and we put it very good, straight. You see, let me show you guys. You see that one is a repair. Also that one is a repair, you can see. This one is also a repair. This one also is a repair. Yeah, and this one also, guys, is a repair. Now this one is a lighting, you see. That one is a kitchen, that one is a kitchen, and this one here is a dining. As you can see, those lights, this one are the side lights. As you can see, this one, we added this one. We added this one so that for them to be two, at least for them to be two, so that, yeah. Okay. Now, guys, we have one guy here. He is also the worker here. So let him speak. Yeah. Ni aje?
Poa sana.
Unaweza ambia watu nini kuhusu kazi yetu ya stima? Kama hapa unaona tulipofanya kazi tukakuja tukabomoa na tukafanya mambo mengi. Unaweza ambia nini?
Kazi ni kazi mzuri sana. Mmefanya kazi mzuri sana kwa sababu hapa hivi kwa tuko na stima. Sasa hizi tunaona nyumba at least imeanza ku take shape. Masocket tunaona mmetekea poa. Sasa hizi tunashukuru sana, tunaona hii kazi mnajua kazi kweli.
Kazi iko poa.
Kazi ni best sana. Nasemanga mapema ndo best. Mmechangamkia kazi haraka. Mmechangamkia kazi haraka. Hata sikuwa nime expect mtachukua hizo siku kidogo kumaliza hii kazi. Sasa naona mko almost kumaliza. Sasa hivi mmepeleka sana. So naona nyinyi mko poa kabisa. Hivyo tu, sina mambo mengi ya kusema.
So unaweza ambia watu wetu ya kwamba kazi zetu tunapozifanya, when we do our jobs, we make sure that if the switch is not straight, tunakuja tunaing'oa na tunaiweka straight. Kwa mfano kama hizi, njoo uonyeshe. Kama ni show them.
Yes, kama hizi, unaona kama hii.
Those are repairs.
Yes, this one tunaona bado ni mbichi japo.
Yes, the repair. The repair also.
Very straight.
The repair also. The repair. Now,
this is professional work.
Yes. Yes.
This is very nice.
So unaweza ambiaje watazamaji wetu wafanye nini? Wa subscribe,
like, subscribe, comment, share.
Na wa share.
Yes.
Si ndio? Thank you.
Asante.
Now, guys, as you have heard, our work, we ensure it is very good. For example, you see this switch box. For example, this one, it was not straight. So we came here. We ensured that the switch must be straight. So what did we do? We came and removed the whole of it and removed that switch box. For example, this one is a master bedroom. That one is a foreground. The bed switch, socket also. So we do the work as you have considered. Yes. I will show you more. Yes, the guy himself. He's doing his things, Now he want to remove this one and make sure that the switch does not go beyond the wall. You can. I don't know if you are seeing clearly. I don't know if you are seeing clearly. Now he will plaster. Will you hold for me? Unaweza nisikia nionyeshe watu. Hebu nishikie simu hivi unionyeshe tunapofanya mambo hapa. These are cement and sand, I hope you know it. Inside.
Na kuona.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, people. Yes, guys. For the good work, this is what you get when you give us the good work. This is what you get, guys. You don't come and complain that the switch box, yes, the switches are zigzag. Now we will wait. We will wait for it to dry so that we fit this switch. Guys, for more videos